Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about working with transformer object. On the right you can see list of available objects. Let's add transformer to our transformation and link it. To change the transformer, double click on it. On the left we can see a list of available source fields. On the right, we can see a list of available targets fields. When transformer is connected to the reader, list of the fields is taken from the reader. If transformer is connected to any other objects, it is possible to add new fields to transformer. We will demonstrate it later. Now, let me show how we can link the objects. All we need to do, just drag and drop like this. And to delete the link, we repeat the process. Or we can just double click on the end icon. If you are working with very large data source, this kind of mapping can be very time consuming. This is why in the latest release we have introduced automap function. All you need to do is to click the button, select appropriate options, click Map Now, and everything will be mapped for you. On the right, we can see a list of available transformation functions. For example, let's say we want to convert month's name into uppercase. We just type upper, drag the drop the transformation function, link it. Now, another very useful option is process data button. It allows us to see the results and the tested by editing it. For example, see data is now uppercase. For very wide and complex transformations, we can also split our transformation into multiple tabs. For example, call it test. Now we have two tabs and we can move the objects between. Move to tab test. This is a very neat way of organizing complex transformations. Or for example, if you have a lot of fields you're not going to use, you can just move them to separate tab. That makes life of developer much easier. Okay, now if we want, for example, to delete the tab, we need to move the objects first. Let's move it back to default. And now we can delete it. Okay, let's click OK. Delete the transformation and add two transformation to our transformers and link them. You can see the first transformer is connected to another transformer, and this one is connected to the right. So if we double click on the transformer, we can see that list of target fields is not populated. So what we need to do, we can add the fields manually, like this, for example, or we can just copy inputs to outputs, like that. And again, we can sort of add more fields, call it upper months. Convert to uppercase. Like that. And if you go to a next transformer, here we have 5 fields, and we can see our source data result. And the list of the target fields in this case is taken from the writer. It is very important to make sure that the last object which is connected to the writer is always transformer. Otherwise you may face some problems. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you have any questions, post them on our support forum and we will do our best to help you.